I'll start off by using Photoshop's selection tools and masking feature to isolate an area of this logo. So we'll save an image, and so we're just going to use the selection tools in Photoshop, which are really quick and easy to use. So we'll open up our image that we downloaded. The next thing we're going to do is resize the image and just make the resolution just a bit higher. So we'll multiply it by 3 to 1200 pixels. So the first tool we're using is a smart selection tool, and this one uses AI to detect the content. Now we're going to go to the layer panel, and in the layer panel, this is the selection. You can see what it's done. It's done a really good job. Just missed a couple of areas. So when we go to the layers tool, we can hit this little alpha mask button, and that creates a black and white mask. We can refine that mask, painting with black and white into the mask layer. So we'll select a brush and paint black or white into that area. The black paint that we're applying here is adding to our mask, in which the black areas effectively hide parts of our image. So we're going to save our file off as a TIFF, which is a less lossy file format. So we'll just rename our file and hit save. Okay. Now we're going to open up a new file in Illustrator. We're just going to select a template. So we'll choose film and video and 1080p. And that way we'll have a template that has no background. Then we'll place our image, select the file you saved. So now we want to open up the image trace tool, and we make sure that we've got preview activated. So by default, black and white will be active, and we're just going to adjust the threshold to see how far we can go before we start losing information. When we're happy with that, we hit expand and create a vectorized version of the image. And so this has been turned into a vector graphic, which means you can edit all the anchor points and manipulate the content. And you can see here we've got our anchor points, and we've got these little control handles, and you can manipulate them as much as you'd like using the pen tool. If you hover over the right hand side of the pen tool, you'll break that little tool away. That's useful because you can go around deleting anchor points. Just see here we've got a whole lot of them. Holding down Option, you can break the handle apart, although normally the handles are joined together. So clean up your graphic, and then when you're happy with the outcome, you can export this file in any file format that suits its purpose.